Every day, designers and engineers have to make critical decisions that can introduce significant global costs into the company. Engineers are engaged in designing more and more new parts, rather than locating and reusing similar or equivalent parts that already exist inside a company's legacy data assets. The downstream effect of creating new parts is not always recognized by the engineer, but has a significant effect on the company's bottom line. If the enterprise must acquire or produce new parts, create new production procedures, deploy new quality controls, and then stock and store the new parts, all of these actions add substantial time and cost into the system. If we quickly locate and evaluate existing parts for reuse, designers and engineers will save huge costs for their companies. Searching for similar or equivalent parts that may reside somewhere inside a company's legacy assets is a very time-consuming process today. In fact, many legacy designs and similar parts are not even known to designers and are hidden from view inside data sources scattered across the company. Without an ultra-efficient tool to rapidly locate and compare similar parts, design engineers simply choose to recreate the part rather than spend unproductive time searching. Well, today, there's a solution available that leverages the power of a company's legacy data assets while delivering extreme value and rapid bottom-line results. EXALEAD OnePart is a new application that helps designers and engineers reuse the right part in a few seconds. The application provides all the decision criteria for the user to rapidly locate a reusable part and its associated documentation. Designers and engineers explore and compare legacy parts and design assets at the speed of thought, and are better equipped to make sound, timely decisions on whether it is really necessary to create the new parts and incur the high associated lifecycle costs. With just a few clicks, users interact with legacy parts and related 2D and 3D designs, gaining immediate insight into vast amounts of previously hidden data. When a similar part is discovered, the user experience is further enriched by identifying important related documents like specifications, testing, validation, and certification materials, and in many different formats. This allows the user to access key information that's associated with the part being considered for reuse. In summary, EXALEAD OnePart enables a superior user experience with immediate business benefits like accelerated time to market, by speeding the design process and reducing redesign and rework tasks, reduced high lifecycle costs incurred by creating new parts and maintaining duplicate part inventories, and reduced release risk through better access to historical and proven part information. Start using EXALEAD OnePart today to achieve rapid and dramatic ROI from legacy data discovery and parts reuse.